To be notified of new music and videos, subscribe to the channel activating the bell and comment what you thought, give like and share.
Today we are going to discuss a shortcut method to find the square of numbers ending in 1. Ending in 1 means the unit digit will be 1. Okay, let's see one example. We know the first number which is ending in 1 is 1 itself, isn't it? So we know 1 square is equal to 1. Next number ending in 1 will be 11. How much is 11 square? All of we know it is 121. What about 21 square? It will be 441. What about 31 square? 31 square is 961. 41 square is 1681. And 51 square is 2601. So there is a pattern all these numbers are following. So we know all the numbers are ending in 1. So the square will be ending in 1, isn't it? So 11 square ending in 1. So last date is 1. So can you find any relationship between the remaining numbers in the square and the remaining number in the actual number? So you can easily see a relationship between the second digit, that means that digit, that is a tens digit, is double of this digit, isn't it? What is double means? Into 2. So 1 into 2, your answer will be 2. 1 square, your answer will be 1. So it is 121. Then let's see what about 21 square. So since it is ending in 1, last date is 1. Now you can forget this one. So 2, double of 2, 4. The square of 2, which is 4. So 441. So let's see here 31 square. Last digit is 1. Then 3 into 2, which is 6. Then 3 square, which is 9. So 961. So you are writing the numbers from right to left. That means unit date will be writing, then one's date, then 100 date, like that. What about 41 square? Last, that is one's date is 1. Then 4 into 2, which is 8. Then 4 square, which is 16. So 1681. Okay. Now coming to 51 square, there is a small modification. So 51 square, last digit is 1. That is fine. Then double of 5 answer is 10. So you'll be writing 0 only. Write only one digit. Remaining digits you have to carry. Now 5 square, what is 5 square? 25. 25 plus 1, 26. All of you understood how this 1 came, isn't it? Now let's see how you'll write 61 square. Last digit will be 1, isn't it? The double of 6 is 12, but you'll be writing only 2, 1 carry. Then square of 6, 36, that carry you will add, so this will become 3721, isn't it? Now let's see what will be the answer for 101 square. 101 square, last date is 1, isn't it? Last date will be 1, no doubt in that, because it is ending in 1, then unit it is 1, so the square will also end in 1. Now what is the remaining number? It's not number, there are two digits, that means consider that it's 2. 2 digits, that is 10, right? So what is double of 10? Double of 10 is 20, so we'll be writing 0, 2 carry. Then 10 square, 100. 100 plus that carry you add, so 100 plus 2, your answer will be 102. So your answer will be 10,201, that is 101 square, right? So let's see what about 201 square. No doubt last date is 1, right? Now check 20, double of 20, which is 40. So you'll be writing 0, 4 carry. 20 square is 400. 400 plus 4 is 404. So 40401. That will be the answer. Got it? So using this method, you can find the square of any number which is ending in 1. Which is ending in 1. Very easy. Okay. Now let's see what will be 1001 square. Last date will be 1, isn't it? Then what is remaining numbers here? 200, right? So double of 100, it is 200. 200 will be writing 0 only. 20 is carry, isn't it? Then 100 square is, what is 100 square? 10000, right? But 20 is coming, isn't it? So 100, then 20. What is, so any squares, that means squares of numbers ending in 1, you can use this method. Hope this is useful for you and your friends also who are writing exams and who are finding difficulty to save time for the maths exam especially, right? So If you feel this is useful for a calculation, please share with your friends, okay, or whoever is writing any exams and who want to improve their calculation speed. Please share these videos with them, and don't forget to subscribe also. Okay, so next video we can see with another shortcut.